Check this out. Just came in the mail today. The Goture style, rocker style handle arms for your spinning reel. Called rocker style because rocks back and forth. You have to screw in over here. Just got to make sure now. This is pentagonal, so this means it's 5-sided. So if your original handle does not have 5 sides, not going to work. So there's three sizes: small, medium, large. Small is 1 to 3,000 size reels. Medium is 3,000 to 5,000, and large is 5,000 to 7,000. You know, some manufacturers like Penn, they make the reels a little bit bigger than what the numbers represent. So you just have to kind of take it by looking at it. Like if it goes up to, like, say size 5,500, you may want to go, instead of medium, you may want to go large in that, for example. Now the smalls, they weigh 59 grams, which is 2.08 ounces. Medium, 62 grams, which is 2.18 ounces. And you have large, which is 73 grams, which weighs 2.57 ounces. This here is a medium. So I'm going to be using this for my 4,000 reel. This is my newly acquired 4,000 M1 pitch black. Beautiful reel. Probably one of the first ones ever in the States. So just take the knob off. Okay, take that off. Pull it out. Check it. Yep, that's hexagonal. Pentagonal. So it's 5-sided. So we're gonna put in our new Goture. Fits right in there. Now this is the one it came with, and this is the extra. So here we go. Now the extra had the plastic bushes on the inside, which is good. Otherwise you're gonna have to switch it over. Look at that. Always match up to the colors. I mean, in this case there's no black, but I went with the silver chrome. Look at that. That's a decent matchup. Makes it a standout. Now, why did I just do that? For the looks? Okay, looks too, but it's for the grip. There's no way in the world you can tell me holding this in the palm of your hand on a decent strike, especially when hands are wet, it won't slip, as compared to something as tiny little knob like this that you have to pinch or just kind of hold on to the best you can. I would rather use this, get a firm grip, wet hands or not, and just crank that fish in, wouldn't you? So just remember, look at the stem. Make sure that it's 5-sided, otherwise this is not going to work. All right, so thanks a lot.